Good morning. Welcome to Full Circle Ozarks. Hey, well,
Hey,
today's
friends.
the day.
Today's the day, isn't
Yeah.
it?
We're going to announce the winner of our $100 gift card giveaway. Yeah.
But before we actually do that, I do want to show a little bit of the progress in the office modification that we're doing.
Yeah.
So we're going to watch that, and then toward the end of that, make sure you stay tuned. We're going to do the drawing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just have to prove that you're a subscriber, and we'll need some more information as far as address and stuff. But anyway, it's all in the bottom part of the instructions.
In the description area.
In the description, yeah. So stay tuned for that. And I do want to say on the office remodification or whatever, we took out a bedroom suite. And I noticed on the videos, it makes that room look teeny tiny, the camera does. It's really not. It's like 11, well, that is kind of tiny, but 11 by 13 or something. Yeah. So it's plenty big for an office. I had a queen size bed in there, a dresser, a Chester drawer, and
there was plenty of room.
And there was plenty of room. So anyway, it's going to be a nice office where office/craft room, maybe.
She's going to have her Cricut in there also.
Yeah.
Let's get on with this video. Hey friends, welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. I'm beginning the layout in here now. The shelf will sit on this board right here. What I'm getting ready to do is just kind of do a mock fit, and I've got to find the studs, pre-drill this board here, and then I have to cut another board to go here, and another board to come out there a little bit. One there. Okay. I will continue. Let me continue to mark these here out, and just in the off chance that some of these 2x4s are not truly on 16-inch centers, I'm gonna test behind this board right here. By knowing where this board is going to be at, I can be a little bit more liberal and making sure that I hit those studs good. So I'm gonna do that. Once I get that done, I'll be right back with you. Well, folks, I'm glad I took the time to double check where those studs are at. There's a couple places the studs should have been there and they wasn't. They'd be off like an inch. And I don't know if it was because the stud had bowed. I remember when the house was being built, I've done a couple of walkthroughs and I identified a couple of studs that wasn't the best quality. And just remember, we built our house during COVID, so it was hard to get supplies. So I had to be selective. But even at that, there was a few studs that I rejected and had to take out of the wall and replace them. And some of them, they were just twisting and bending. Behind the walls, it doesn't make any difference. Once you get them up, everything's good to go. But anyway, all that to say is I'm glad I took the time to make sure I knew where every stud was at. And as you can see, I just took a piece of tape and marked where the stud is going to be. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put me a mark here on my 2x4 where each stud is. Then I'm going to be able to go back up and pre-drill this, and that way I know without a doubt once I put this up that I'm going to hit a good stud in this wall here. So we're going to be doing that, and then just to give a better fit, I'm actually going to attach this to the desktop after I pre-drill it. It's just much easier to do it at that point. That way once I do that and I put these screws through here, it will pull the desk against this wall here and make a better fit again right there. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm just going to mark where these studs are at, take it up and get it pre-drilled and get this attached to the desktop. We're going to go from there. Let me get these marked. I'm just going to make me a note. This is the top, and the porch is that way. That way, once I put this on, I know exactly the way I measured everything. So I like it. So I think where I'm at now, I'm going to take this back up to the shop and get these holes pre-drilled for the screws, get it attached, and then there's still some staining to do. I've had a delay in getting the staining done. Cotton Top had to run a few more last minute jobs and she wasn't able to do the staining yet, and she wanted to do the staining herself. I could just do it, but she loves to do that kind of stuff, so I'm probably gonna delay the staining just a little bit, just to give her an opportunity to do that. So anyway, let's get up to the shop. Well, that's got the holes pre-drilled to go into the stud. So the next step is I need to get pocket holes in this so I can fasten it to the board here and get it glued up. I'm going to use my Craig pocket hole jig here to go ahead and put pocket holes in this to be able to attach this board here to the shelf top. So I've got it set up down here. I'm going to start working this way here. Okay. drawing right now.
Yay!
And we have a winner.
Congratulations!
We have a winner.
Yep.
The winner if you see right here, if you're watching, reach out by email to fullcircleozarks@gmail.com, and in the subject put, I am the Thanksgiving winner.
Okay.
And send that to me, and we'll exchange a couple of emails, and you will get your $100 gift card.
And some people ask why we do this, and one of the things is I love to give stuff away. I love it. And I can see that being part of our channel. And as we grow, I can see us doing things for, like one of the things I would like to give toward is the USO. That's a big one. Harmony House, that's a shelter for women and children. But anyway, this is our winner here.
This is a winner right here. Congratulations, and I look forward to talking to you.